Okay, in these functions we're evaluating them for different things for x. So for number 1 there, we're evaluating f of 2, so we plug in 2 for our x, and we get a fraction of -2/7. And we keep going. For f of -2, and we plug in -2, we get 2 negatives in a fraction, so it's +2/11. The next one, f of -x, we plug in -x for x, so it's -x over -x minus 9. You cannot cancel the negative x's there because it's attached to a -9, so that's the answer for C. For D, we're negating negative f of x, so to negate that whole thing, we're just basically making the whole fraction a negative. So that's the answer for D. For E, it says f of x minus 2, so we're going to replace x with x minus 2, and on the bottom, the only thing that we can combine is what's on the bottom. So that's x minus 11, x minus 2 on the top. For F, it says f of 2x. So we're going to replace 2x in for the x. 2x over 2x minus 9. Once again, you cannot cancel the 2x's because the bottom one has an attachment of -9. Alright, 2, we're doing the same thing all over again. So f of 2. So for f of 2 and f of -2, we actually get the same actual answer of 0. Then we're doing f of -x, plugging in -x underneath the radical. So basically it still stays the same thing, square root of x squared minus 4. D, we're doing negative f of x, so that means the front thing is negated, so it's negative on the outside, x squared minus 4 inside. E, we're doing f of x minus 2. So here you got to be a little bit more careful because we need to FOIL the x minus 2. And when you do that, you get x squared minus 4x plus 4. We put that underneath the radical. So what cancels there are the 4's. So it's the square root of x squared minus 4x. F, doing f of 2x. So again, plugging in 2x for the x. This time it's squared. So 2x to the second is 4x squared minus 4. And there's your answer for F.